What's up guys, John at Raindrop Cleaners in Birmingham, Alabama. Got a great video for you here today. Let's talk real quick about what you do not want to surface clean and what you do want to surface clean. For instance, brick is usually just fine. Concrete we all know is fine. Never do asphalt. Never do any type of stone work. Some stone work is not natural and will work fine. Some stone work will be fine, but the grout might be a little bit iffy. You don't want to do any shale or slate or anything like that that's going to break off shale pieces. That's definitely something to avoid, but overall most of this brick type stuff works just fine. We put down a 3% sodium hypochlorite on this, let it sit about 20 minutes, and we're just running the surface cleaner over it, nice and easy. It's going to clean up great. The customer, well, this was a year or so ago, but it did clean up great. The customer was very happy. And this one little piece in my head I justify as an extra $50 add-on to this little property. Now I don't spell it out to the customer like that, but if she wanted line items I could say, well, the driveway and this and the sidewalks are this price, and to do a real good job on the front porch patio area I charged an additional $50, which is justifiable. Now if you think about it, this video is only like 3 or 4 minutes long, and I've done this entire thing during the course of this 3 or 4 minutes, so $50 for that time is pretty darn good. We did spray some sodium hypochlorite on it, but again, that probably only took a couple of minutes to do that anyways. Everything, like I said, cleans up great. These are great little things you can do to add on to a ticket at a customer's house if they have a back patio that's all brick. Brick usually does very, very good as far as cleaning up, as long as it's not extremely old or the mortar in between the bricks isn't extremely degraded. I find a little sodium hypochlorite, little gentle pressure from a surface cleaner, turbo nozzle, something like that works just fine to really clean up your brickwork. This is one of those little things that if you do it and you do it right, the customer will remember it and they'll want to call you back every couple of years so that you can make their bricks look as good as they used to look. Very, very simple again, but this means a lot to a lot of customers. If you come out to do the sidewalk in the driveway and you manage to clean up their front brick steps or their front brick patio, your customer's going to be very, very happy with you. I always try to upsell it. If it's something small like this, I might just do it, not even tell them that they paid for it, while knowing in the back of my head that I allotted an extra 10 to 15 minutes to do the work, and etc., etc. But great way to add prices. I mean, let's look at the mortar here. All the mortar mix has turned out white here as I rinse off the dirt. Looks just absolutely wonderful. I remember this customer was very happy with this, and this is about when we first started doing pressure washing on top of our window cleaning business. So very worth it, guys. Always look for other home services you can do to add value.